Welcome. If you are thinking about a career in human resources or just want to understand the department better, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to break down the different career paths, roles, and growth opportunities within the world of HR. First, let us clarify what HR actually does. It is often misunderstood as just the department that hires and fires people. In reality, human resources is the strategic heart of an organization. It covers four main pillars: talent acquisition, which is hiring; performance management, which helps people grow; compliance, which keeps the company legal and ethical; and employee development, which focuses on training. It is about aligning people with the business goals. Most careers start at the entry level. Common titles here are HR assistant or HR coordinator. In these roles, you are the backbone of the operations. You will handle scheduling, paperwork, and answer basic questions. It is the perfect place to learn how the company functions. Another common entry point is a recruiting coordinator, who specifically helps the hiring team with logistics. Once you have some experience, you will face a major choice. Do you want to be a generalist or a specialist? An HR generalist handles a little bit of everything. This is very common in smaller companies where you wear many hats. A specialist, on the other hand, dives deep into one specific area, like benefits or recruiting. This path is more common in large corporations with big HR teams. Let us look at some specialist paths. First is talent acquisition. Think of this as the sales side of HR. Your job is to sell the company to potential candidates. You will source people on LinkedIn, manage the employer brand, and conduct interviews. It is a fast-paced, social role perfect for those who love connecting with people. Next is learning and development, or L&D if you enjoy teaching. This is for you. These professionals design training programs, manage the onboarding process for new hires, and help identify future leaders. Their goal is to make sure the workforce has the skills needed to succeed today and tomorrow. For those who are analytical and good with numbers, there is compensation and benefits. This is a technical side of HR. You might analyze market data to set salary ranges or manage complex health insurance plans and retirement packages. It is crucial for keeping the company competitive in the job market. A very popular mid to senior level role is the HR business partner. This is a strategic consulting role. Instead of just handling paperwork, you sit with department managers and help them solve business problems. For example, if a department is growing fast, you help them design the new team structure. It bridges the gap between HR and the business strategy. So, where does it all lead? The career ladder in HR is very clear. You move from coordinator to manager or business partner. From there, you might become a director leading a whole function. At the very top, you have the Chief Human Resources Officer, or VP of People, who sits with the CEO and helps steer the entire company. To wrap up, here are 3 tips for your career. First, start broad. Don't rush to specialize. Learning the basics as a generalist helps you later. Second, focus on soft skills. Empathy and communication are your superpowers. And finally, consider getting certified. Credentials like SHRM or PHR can significantly boost your resume and salary.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.